hardly any power left in the
battery.
yeah, clever me. Bringing a camcorder that's got hardly any power left, but anyway. You've got two 18s in the back, haven't you?
Two 18s. I've got no DSP. Well, you want to listen
no
more?
DSP?
No DSP yet. Obviously, I do need one to improve all the sounds. Would you want to listen to something a bit?
No, I'm crazy.
I'll show you a bit of. I was building it for SQ. This is my first SQ build.
Yeah.
To give you a rough idea, but yeah, it is lacking the DSP, unfortunately.
I spent many years without a DSP.
Yeah.
Many years. For sure. Just using the amplifier, you know, crossovers and subsonic filter built into the amp, all sorts of things.
So this is where I'm at.
This is how it was done, you know, for DSPs basically.
My problem is I've got a gap between, I would like to say, about 120 hertz down to about 35 hertz. I got a gap there.
So have I, but it's more 120 to about 200 because the 10-inch that I've got, the location, more than anything.
This is a right away letter.
That's fine.
I gotta make
No
it
overpowering, not yet. From the back.
straight to
Oh no,
my main and the
I turn down the bass. For tracks like this, I turn down the
This is
bass.
urgent from a US.
I know when I want bassy re-bass tracks, and I turn
It's
the bass
got
back
this
up.
heart inside it. The postage is my soul. Contains a message
That's like
from
white
me.
band.
So all I go is
Say he don't
tweeter,
know.
3-inch, 2 6s. I went for the 2 6s purely for if I'm in the car park and they're just showing off, open the doors up. As early I done, it covers frequencies 42, 32, 25, and then 19. You will see this system plays really well at like 20 hertz.
Yeah.
Turn the bass back up. I say it's best if you open your door.
Your man on the road, he doing promo. You said keep our business on the low. I'm just trying to get you out the friend zone. 'Cause you look even better than the photos. Found out I was I only call you when it's
the back doors. The back doors are trying to open and rattle. I'm sure there's a rattle somewhere else as well, but so far I found the back doors at the end of the week.
Send me off to rehab.
I gave it a bit of a workout.
Start feeling like it's deep.
And it's literally, I can go
I'm just trying to live life
in front of any like festival speaker
and all
and
these
it doesn't
motherfuckers
clip.
wanna reload. I only call you when it's
Just say if you open your door more. Then you see the doors. Yeah, 20 hertz.
Monsters. All right.
The subs are Edge, but same company.
russet brandy